These are the ceiling fans on Lowe's. That's a, who is this? Something. There's this one. Cool. I don't really like the modern ones, but I like, what is it? That one, kind of, not really. These are cool. These fans, you can spin them, but it's gonna hit the blade. So, this is blue. I know, but I can spin it. This is a Bonds or Harbor Breeze, Bose Dree or whatever. I don't know. There's these, but they don't have
That's Spanish, honey.
A pull chain on it. But this one I can just spin. That's slow.
Spanish. Verduno de Techo.
Medium.
Pardo Interroso.
Yeah.
And it says down below.
That's this one. Cool.
This side is Spanish, and this side it says.
There's this one.
Indoor ceiling fan. It's supposed to say indoor.
It's more modern one. I don't really like this one. I like that one better, but it's cool.
This one's in English. That's Spanish. This English.
Yeah. But I'm showing the names. East Book. And that's
Indoor
the ceiling
fan.
So, yeah. That's that one. I'm gonna spin it and click. That's cool. There's all the fans here. Yeah. There's this one. I was trying to see if I can get the light.
Hey, no.
I just pulled on it and it didn't turn on. So.
You pulled on that one over there.
I pulled on
down.
that one and
That
the chain came off.
It's right here. Where'd you put it?
It fell somewhere. I put it somewhere.
Hid it.
Yeah, I'll find it. I put it somewhere where they could get it and fix it. Yes, I did. Okay, well, it's not arguing this video, but there's that one. Oh, and there's these over here.
You remember make people dizzy.
There's that one. And that one. 52 inch. What is this? Coastal Creek.
Okay. Come on, we gotta go to your car.
This one. And there's some more over here. I'm gonna show. I did.
Turn it off.
No, there's some more over here. I'm gonna show. I saw one over here. Oh yeah, there's more over here, which actually have the chains. These are higher. I can't really touch them and they don't spin because of that. But the chains don't work. But I'm just pulling now. That's the fan one.
It's a Waveport.
Waveport, yeah. It's a
This one is a
Armitage.
Armitage. Okay.
That's the light.
We got one more, then turn it off.
Chain.
Having
There's
trouble
this
with
one.
storage right now.
See if I can show the top.
Hey,
This one's actually
no.
modernized.
Busy.
Yeah, you can't spin it.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's all the fans at Lowe's, I believe.
Alright, let me have that phone so you
Okay.
can say goodbye.
Goodbye.